Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy stocks on MetaTrader 5. Let's begin. Now, to buy stocks on MetaTrader 5 using the mobile app, you want to make sure that your broker provides access to stock trading on MetaTrader 5 because, for one, not all brokers offer stock trading on Meta 5, as some may only provide access to forex, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. So I highly suggest you check with your broker if they offer stocks, for example, like Apple, Amazon, or eBay as tradable instruments via the MT5. If they do, you need to log into your MT5 account. Obviously, again, you need to open the MT5 app on your mobile device, log into your trading account by entering your account credentials, login number, and password provided by your broker. All right, that's very important. And then you just have to go to the plus section here, tap on the plus market, which gives you managing the codes. All right. In the search field, you just have to enter the symbol of the stock you want. For example, if it's Apple, right here, if you don't have the Apple, for example, Amazon, you see that? But all I have to do is go to this stock market right here. If I click that, you have all of these options for you to choose from. Now, I'm going to go with the Apple Incorporated, which is AAPL. I want you to click this once you find the Apple stock. If you click that, that would be included to your codes here. All I have to do is search for the Apple stock right here. That is AAPL. You just have to search for it. You see this at the bottom? Now, I want you to click the stock that you have added on the codes and click the chart. Now, the stock chart will give you the technical indicators, time frames, and other tools available in the app to help your decision making. All right. Here you would notice that it gives you the real-time price movements. Right? You see this from here going here, and you just have to disregard the 15 minutes delayed for the MT5 for the Apple app. All right. Now, if you go to the code section again, go to the Apple. If you go to the properties, you would notice all of these information about the exchange, sector, and of course industry, digits, contract size, and all of this information for your exchange tax calculations. All right, you have full access and you have all of these before you create a trade or buy it. Hover back again to the stock, and there's more options like, for example, market statistics that you might want to check in, tick size, tick value, and the open price and the close price, which is one of the most important things to help you with your decision making. Once you are happy with this, finally go to the new order. All right, just click the buy section to execute the trade. If you do that, the order has been placed. All right. And you can monitor your position by going to the trade tab at the bottom of your screen right here. All right. And basically that's how you buy stocks in Metatrader 5. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.